Jamaica, watch this.
Six. But Jamaica are able to get this clear. The fresh legs of Richards. Mar Nicholson here holds it up. Russell and Richards linking up on the far side. Played out wide, I should say, by Hayden. Clipped into the middle. Plays it out wide here for Richards, who takes on the another look. That's why Steve McLaren brought him on. Reverse ball play deck. Oh, it was flicked. Tries to switch it onto the far side. Could be a chance here for Richards. He dashes into the area. It's for more gold shirts to join in. Lovely little back heel. He was the only listed defender on Bermuda's bench. A brilliant run here from Richards. Still Richards. Oh, he goes on. Dujuan Richards. Cut out a smile. No, they tried to stop him, but she's just kept on going. The ricochet. Qualify along with Guatemala to see the Richards run and finish. That's given the Reggae Boys the